Hello viewers, so Microsoft has just shared that this year big feature update Windows 11 version 25H2 is now available in the release preview channel. This led to user test it before it's officially released later this year. We expect version 25H2 to fully roll out around late September or early October, which is usually when Microsoft push these updates. The release preview channel is the step right before the stable version, so it's very close now. The build dates live in release preview is 26.00.5074. Microsoft explained that Windows 11 version 25H2 will be released as an enablement package. In the simple term, this means Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2 share the same base system. They also share the new feature and improvements that Microsoft adds through what it calls continuous innovation update. I have already talked about some of these updates before on this channel, and you can find a playlist on my homepage. For those in the release preview channel, Microsoft says you can install Windows 11 25H2 through what it calls the seeker experience. Basically, you just need to check for update in your setting. So if you are an insider in the release preview channel and your PC meet Windows 11 hardware requirement, you can go to setting, Windows update, and choose to download and install version 25H2 if you want. At this stage, it's still optional for release preview user. Once you update, you will keep getting the usual monthly servicing update through Windows Update just like always. So Windows 11 version 25H2 is almost here, and since we are heading into September, it should be available to everyone in just 2 or a month. That's all for you. Just want to give you a quick update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.